Back it up.
Take from the shelf up there.
Hiroshima's gonna blow. Hiroshima's gonna blow.
Run for your life! It's gonna explode!
Hiroshima, no! It's gonna explode! Help! No! Run for your lives, everyone! Run for your lives! Oh, I hear it. Do you hear it? Do you hear it?
Oh no, it's gonna erupt soon! Ah!
Oh, I see it coming. I see it. Don't look away from it. Look away from it. Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh
It's
no!
gonna explode!
Put it down for a second. Put it down.
No!
Ready?
Ready?
It's
Oh!
gonna explode!
They're all! Wow!
It exploded!
Doesn't look like it needs that much vinegar.
Yeah, no, it doesn't.
Instead of quarter cup.
Yeah, it's too much. That's way too much.
Yeah.
Get. Here, take that.
To the
Rinse
sink.
it. Yeah, rinse it. Son of a bitch, dude. Why do I want to talk to anybody?